In high-turnover medical environments, what protects your clinical staff can also harbor hidden liabilities. Traditional stitched radiation shields create thousands of microscopic entry points, trapping fluids and contaminants where standard wipes simply cannot reach. Introducing Radgenic, an innovation in non-porous radiation, infection-controlled X-ray shielding. By laminating TPU to both sides of our attenuating fabric, we eliminated stitching entirely. Radgenic features advanced heat-sealed seams, creating a continuous, fluid-proof barrier. Because there are no needle holes, it won't absorb fluids or harbor pathogens, ensuring a fast, compliant room turnover. Radgenic can be found on many types of procedural equipment, ranging from table shielding and mobile barriers to half aprons and more in the future. Radgenic, born at the intersection of radiological and hygiene protection.